Welcome back to Fix It Design, your ultimate source for the latest interior trends and home styling inspiration. Today's video is all about transforming your living room with the perfect curtains. We're diving into 8 stunning curtain ideas for 2025 that are not just stylish, but also functional and timeless. Whether you're going for a modern look, cozy comfort, or elegant luxury, these curtain trends will completely elevate your space. Let's get started. 1. Floor-to-ceiling sheer panels. Nothing adds elegance and openness quite like sheer curtains that run from the ceiling to the floor. This trend is huge in 2025, especially in neutral tones like off-white, sand, and soft gray. These curtains allow light to gently filter in while still giving your room a dreamy, airy feel. Pair them with hidden curtain tracks for a clean, floating effect that feels modern and high-end. They're perfect for making small living rooms appear taller and more spacious. 2. Dark monochrome drapes. For those who love bold drama and contrast, dark monochrome curtains are the way to go. Deep shades like charcoal, navy, or espresso brown are trending in 2025 for their grounding effect. They add depth and richness to minimalist or neutral toned spaces. These curtains work especially well in modern or industrial interiors where strong lines and contrast are key. Plus, they help block out light and noise form meets function. 3. Linen curtains in earthy tones. Linen continues to dominate natural home aesthetics, and in 2025, earthy linen curtains are everywhere. Think tones like olive green, clay, sandstone, and taupe. These add a touch of softness and organic beauty to your living room while keeping things casual yet elegant. The slightly wrinkled texture of linen gives a relaxed, cozy vibe that pairs perfectly with wood, rattan, and plants. 4. Metallic accents and shimmering fabrics. Looking for something more glamorous? Curtains with metallic threads or subtle shimmering finishes are making a big comeback in 2025. These can range from gold accented weaves to soft silvers or champagne tones. They reflect light beautifully, creating a luxe ambience especially in rooms with minimal natural light. Use them as statement pieces or layer them over neutral sheers for extra depth. 5. Layered curtains with textures. Layering is a major trend this year. Combine 2 or more curtain types like a thick blackout curtain over a soft sheer to add dimension and flexibility to your window treatment. Try playing with textures, velvet over cotton, linen under silk, or bamboo blinds paired with flowy drapes. This layered look gives you control over light and privacy while creating a designer-style finish. 6. Wooden curtain rods and natural hardware. Even the hardware is getting a makeover in 2025. Wooden rods in walnut, oak, or even bamboo finishes are replacing the classic metal look. These natural materials add warmth and blend beautifully with boho, japandi, or farmhouse decor styles. Combine them with simple fabric tiebacks or leather straps for an earthy, handcrafted finish that feels intentional and stylish. 7. Color-blocked curtains. If you want to add a playful edge to your living room, go for color-blocked curtain panels. These curtains feature bold, segmented colors like cream and terracotta, blush and gray, or navy and white stitched into one panel. This modern take on curtains adds a graphic punch without being overwhelming. Match them with cushions or area rugs for a pulled-together look. 8. Ceiling-mounted tracks for a seamless look. This one's more about how you hang your curtains. In 2025, more homeowners are opting for sleek, ceiling-mounted tracks instead of traditional rods. It's minimal, modern, and gives the illusion of higher ceilings. These tracks are often concealed behind a recessed ceiling or pelmet and allow curtains to glide smoothly from wall to wall, perfect for open-concept living rooms. And there you have it, 8 curtain ideas that are taking over living room designs in 2025. From soft linen layers to bold monochrome looks, these curtain styles can truly transform the mood and style of your space. Which one is your favorite? Drop it in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you never miss out on our latest home design tips. Thanks for watching Fix It Design, and we'll see you in the next video.